In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a template inside of Notion. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new inline database. So I'll type in the word inline and create a database. And we'll call this test. So all you have to do is open up one of the cards as a page here, and we will go to the create a template button. So I'm going to create a template and we'll call this to-do list. And inside this to-do list, I'm going to add in a few notes here. So in this template, I'm going to say walk the dog, run a marathon, and do taxes. You can also add other items to your template as well. You can add in more databases. Like for example, we could add in a calendar database, and you can add in images, buttons. It is entirely up to you. Once you're happy with where your template is at, you can go back. And now we're inside of our original page. Remember, this is the top page inside of this database. So I'm going to open this up and go to-do list. And you can see just like that, our template is populated. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this to be helpful. If you want to learn more about Notion, check out our Notions tips video here at Curious Refuge.